Good morning, students. Today we will study our revision part. This is our revision part of adjective. So now today we will study degrees of adjective. So what's first? I tell you what is adjective. The words which describe noun and pronoun, they are called adjective. वो वर्ड्स जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बारे में और ज़्यादा बताते हैं, द वर्ड्स विच टेल अस मोर अबाउट नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन, दे आर कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. So let's discuss. So now we will discuss the degrees of adjective. So you know very well there are 3 degrees of adjective. First is positive, comparative and superlative. So let's begin. How to form these degrees. So how to form comparative and superlative degree. First rule, most adjectives of one syllable. So I tell you what is the meaning of syllable. So what is the meaning of syllable? So what is a syllable? Syllable means unit of sound. Sound का unit कितना आ रहा है? Is this 1 or 2? तो what is the meaning of syllable? Sound of unit of sound. That is syllable. And some of more than one form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est to the positive. It means when we add er, it changes into comparative. When we add est, it changes into superlative. So there are 3 kinds of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So let's first I tell you what is positive degree. मोस्ट एडजेक्टिव ऑफ वन सिलेबल, जब इसमें एक सिलेबल होता है यानी एक ही साउंड निकलता है, इट मीन्स 1 यूनिट ऑफ साउंड, दैट इज सिलेबल. सो जिसमें जैसे डीप एक ही साउंड है, डीप, हाई, हार्ड, काइंड, पुअर. इट मीन्स जो साउंड निकल रहा है वो केवल एक ही बार निकल रहा है, जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन हो रहा है केवल एक ही बार हो रहा है, इस प्रोनाउंसिएशन में टुकड़े नहीं हो रहे, दैट इज 1 सिलेबल. और जिसमें 1 सिलेबल होता है एंड एंड्स इन अ सिंगल कॉन्सोनेंट, और जो एक सिंगल कॉन्सोनेंट से एंड होता है, देन वी विल यूज er in comparative and est in positive. So let's, here you can see G is consonant, so er comparative and est superlative degree. When we add er, it changes into comparative. When we add est, changes into superlative. Next is big, bigger, biggest, fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest, red, redder, reddest. So now I tell you what is the difference between positive, comparative and superlative. First I tell you what is positive degree. So let's, what is positive, what is comparative, what is superlative. Now what is positive degree? Let's discuss. Positive, it means when there is no comparison with anyone, जब किसी के साथ भी कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं होता, दैट इज पॉजिटिव डिग्री. लाइक राम इज अ गुड बॉय. नेक्स्ट इज व्हेन देयर इज कंपैरिजन बिटवीन 2 persons, 2 things, दैट इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. जब 2 persons, 2 things के बीच में कंपैरिजन होता है, वो होती है कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, राम इज बेटर देन श्याम. राम श्याम से ज्यादा बेटर है, दैट डिग्री इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. Next is what is superlative degree. So what is superlative? Super, name से ही super है, it means सबसे बड़ी. It means just like an example, Ram is the best boy in the class. पूरी क्लास में राम सबसे बेस्ट बॉय है. So that is superlative degree. So how to form these? Here you can see big, bigger, biggest. So big is superlative, big is positive, bigger is comparative and superlative is biggest. So next rule to form adjective. Adjective of more than 2 syllables, जिसमें 2 से ज्यादा साउंड निकल रहा है, form the comparative and superlative degree by putting, जिसमें 2 syllables होते हैं, उसमें हमें कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव बनाने के लिए पुटिंग मोर एंड मोस्ट बिफोर द पॉजिटिव, हम मोर एंड मोस्ट लगाते हैं बिफोर द पॉजिटिव. जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, यू नो वेरी वेल, ब्यूटीफुल. सो फर्स्ट आई टेल यू What is syllable? I already told you, beauty. Next is full. So there is two syllables. It means two sounds. When there is two sounds, so you can see beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So here beauty and full, there are two syllables. When there are two syllables, जब दो syllables होते हैं, then we add more, most. Next is next kind is, so we have done this positive. Next is when the positive ends in E, only V and ST are added. This is ST. जब positive degree end होता है, this is T. When the positive ends, जब positive degree के end होता है E से, जिसके लास्ट में अगर E आता है, it means जिसके लास्ट में अगर E आ रहा है, like you can see E, जब जिसके लास्ट में पॉजिटिव डिग्री के लास्ट में अगर E आता है तो हम कंपैरेटिव बनाते हैं टाइम उसे ER और EST लगा देते हैं. ब्रेव, ब्रेवर, ब्रेवेस्ट. नेक्स्ट इज, it means which ends if the positive degree ends with E, then we change comparative with ER and superlative with EST. Now we will add ER in comparative and EST in superlative. So able, abler, ablest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Noble, nobler, noblest. So when the positive ends in Y, जब positive degree end होती है Y से, preceded by a consonant, और जो इसमें consonant preceded होता है, Y is changed into F before adding ER और EST. Y को हम change कर देते हैं जिसके last में, it means अगर last में Y आ रहा है, it means if there is Y in the last positive degree and before Y there is consonant. Before Y you can see there is consonant, T is consonant here, and you can see there Y, this is adding with Y, and before Y there is T is consonant. Then we will change comparative by adding ER, and if we change superlative by adding EST. So dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Early, earlier, earliest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. So these are positive, comparative, and superlative degree. So positive degree is only used with when there is no comparison, that is positive degree. When there is comparison between two persons or things, that is comparative degree. When there is comparison between more than one person, they are superlative degree. Next is when the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in a single consonant preceded by a ing, er and est, short vowel, this consonant is doubled before ad. You know very well positive, यहाँ पे G, big में G, एक यहाँ पे big, fat, hot, red, sad. There is one syllable, it means एक ही sound निकल रहा है, big, fat, hot, red. So when there is one syllable, and if we have to change in comparative degree now, then we will add double consonant. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे you can see there is G. So now we will add double G, and EST. ER in comparative and EST in superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Red, redder, reddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. So these are the rules to form comparative and superlative. Adjective of more than two syllables form the comparative and superlative by putting more and most before the positive. For example, adjective of more than two syllables, जिसमें two syllables होते हैं, like beautiful. So first is beauty, then full. Beautiful. Beauty is one syllable and full is second syllable. Courageous. 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 So courage first syllable and years means होता है second syllable. So there are two syllables. When there are two syllables, then if we have to form comparative and superlative, then we will put more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Difficult, courageous means होता है साहसी, daring. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Industrious, more industrious and most industrious. It means when there are two syllables, then we will change comparative by adding more and superlative by adding most. So these are some rules to form comparative and superlative and positive degree. Thank you. Have a nice day.